We're spending a lot of time in small towns.
Something we're finding is the United States and Americana isn't about all the political drama we hear and one side fighting the other side. We're finding Americanas in the small towns and the people that live there.
We're all pretty friendly, and you can talk to anybody anywhere, and they're willing to talk back to you.
Gunnelson's a really small town, and their big balloon fest is nothing compared to the Albuquerque Balloon Fest.
Not even close.
It probably has 10, 12 balloons, and a lot of them came from Albuquerque.
Yeah.
But it was neat to see the families out there enjoying their evening and in the morning. We had gone into a McDonald's, and there was a guy in his cowboy boots and his gun on his hip. And I thought, yeah, I guess it's, you can pack in Colorado. But then I realized we were listening to the conversation that these four men were having, and it turns out they were probably with the sheriff's department in some official capacity.
Yeah.
Probably a deputy. And listening to them and how they were concerned about how money was being spent and the best way to deal with certain situations, that seemed more Americana to me.
Yeah.
It didn't matter which activity we went to, whether it was the balloons or the rodeo. You'd see the families with the kids running around and just enjoying themselves, and the grandmas and grandpas with their chairs watching everything going on.
Yeah. And this community has a lot of young people and a lot of kids.
Yeah. The winds were too high for the balloons to glow, but they still gave us a pretty good show.
Yeah. Blew off their propane.
Parking was at a minimum, so a lot of people rode their bikes. The announcer at the rodeo made the whole rodeo even better. I wonder if this 4-H'er's ready to let her cow go. In between different events, there would be a lag time. So they would put on the music and everybody would sing along, and they'd turn it off and you'd hear the entire crowd singing. And I think there was 7,000 people, which was a lot for, I think, the highest grossing that they've had. What would a rodeo be without the royalty? This family of Mexican charros are now American citizens, and they travel the rodeo circuit.
I'm going to show you how to build a loop all around the charro and their pony here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, the entire rodeo ended with a drone show and a free concert. During the drone show, Just imagine John Denver singing to each one of the songs. But I don't want to get a copyright hit.
No.
So just kind of think that.
Yeah.
The videos that I took of the riders aren't very good, but they were so impressive. The smoke was still bad from the forest fires that we're having in Colorado and New Mexico and Utah. It's a little bit hazy. The drone show showed different parts of Colorado. This little boy's dad was a police officer who was stationed right at the corner. He was so cute. And then he had a 7-year-old brother too. What was your experience this 4th of July? We were at the end of the parade route, so they were getting rid of all their candy. And these 2 little boys were making a haul. They would even bring some over to us. It seemed everyone in town was in the parade. I'm not sure who was watching besides us. This speaks Americana to me all the way around. I feel fortunate to be able to experience this. The Cattlemen's Days ended with a cowboy church at the Pioneer Museum. It was a busy week and we had a lot of people from the RV park coming and going, but it was fun to see everything and the people. We spend our mornings watching the birds. There's an owl up in one of the trees we see many mornings for a while, and the ducks, the ducklings are getting bigger now. And in the evenings, we have the mad cooker.
Corn on the cob, and we got onions and hatch green chilies. We'll eat some good burgers.
Almost lost the corn on the cob. That dog's so funny next door.
Okay. Wendy's hamburgers. We have connections. Not really.
It's a Walmart.